She's sick. She's sick. Okay, hold on. I got you guys. I got you. Let me triple check. You're not holding it, Psycho. Your neck's just breaking, man. Psycho, you're gonna be fine. Psycho, this is a bad idea. Psycho, this is a bad idea. Run, Psycho, run. Let's go. I'm never going to detention. Okay, well, anyway, Chef, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Let's go, bro. Let's get out of here. Oh, snap. That's more tasty flown off. Jeff, yo, buddy, we're back with another. Take care. Yeah. Yes.
Stop.
Wait, you got a paper gun again. Awesome. Paper. Awesome. My name is Big Boost, and I like to eat some big feast. He's just going at it. This man is a majestic. I love this man. Look at him, bro. How could he not love Brick Boss? He's the best of the best. I got one too. Oh, snap. Hi, Caitlin. How you doing? Where's Lizzie at?
Hi.
Lizzie?
Wait, what?
Lizzie? Hi, Lizzie. How you doing? Hi, Cyclone. Oh, Cyclone. Remember how you talk to girls? You say hi. Not.
I'm not talking to girls.
It's okay. It's gonna be alright. Oh, hey, pay attention. Okay, wait, Jeff.
You have an arrow in your eye. Are you good?
Am I good? Is it just pull it up? Get
in your forehead.
Oh my God! Yo, help me! We are in an emergency. Jeff, what are you talking about? Emergency, man? Are we out of book? We have plenty.
Okay.
Nice. Big.
Relax.
Oh, step. Okay, Jeff, what do you want? Take my steak. Take my moose book. Take everything you want.
Where are you right now?
Everyone.
What is Jeff right now? Why
Jeff,
does he have a horse?
You are a mutated horse.
You
Jeff. Big zombies are upon us. Everyone grab a paintball machine. Where? Oh, just over here. Yo, I want this.
Oh wait, I didn't.
Chill. Don't scream in my ear.
I didn't reload. I'm sorry.
What is this? Wait, do we have guns now? What's this? Paintball guns. Ah, it hurts. What's this? Can I have a machine instead? Have a moose book machine. Brick Boss, I wish there was a moose book machine because I'd be using it all the time. What is this stuff? Oh, it's actually pretty cool. The wall's gone.
Just ignore that.
Hi, big fist. Oh, well, this is awkward. Awesome, so Jeff, what's going on, bro?
Dude, I'm the best at
paintball.
paintball.
If we're fighting zombies, why are you killing me?
Bro, I'm sorry. Why?
Savage. Okay, Jeff. Hefe, are you listening? Okay, Jeff, I'm sorry, we're listening. What's up, Jeff? What you want, Jeff? Jeff, what is it, man? Is there something you want to tell us, bro?
Jeff, what's up, dude? What's up? Oh,
how do I reload?
What is Jeff doing, dude?
Everyone, come here! Hi, Jeff. Are you using stealthy mode? Jeff, you're really stealthy, buddy. I can't even see you, man. You good, Jeff?
I have no idea where he is.
Jeff, you kind of eating the ground a little bit, so it's a little bit unhealthy if you ask me. Dude, just come on. Follow! Everyone crouch! Where are we going? What are we doing? Big feast! Okay. I thought you died for a second.
I did. I got very afraid of what's going on.
Why are we here? Jeff, you're you kind of have a that thing hanging out. You know, your other legs. The zombies are coming. I'm stuck in the moose book. Oh no! Big Moose! Grab my hand! Come on, buddy. Grab it! Grab my hand! Let's go! Drag him out! We're good. Yeah. We must protect the day, everybody. What? Zombies? Yeah, this is gonna be kind of scary. Where's the zombies at?
I don't see any zombies. I feel like this was a lie. Can I go home yet? There's no zombies, dude. There's no zombies.
Huh. Hello?
I guess we go back inside then.
What if I just... We need to protect the moose book well. Oh, there goes Cyclone. Wow. There goes Cyclone.
You wanna go?
Well, so much for protecting the moose book. You know?
Okay.
Awesome. Well, anyway, Cyclone, there's no zombies at all. I'm just gonna go inside, and I'm gonna blow up Jeff's laboratory.
Hey! Dude, we can blow it up. Let's go. Blow it up. Yeah! That thing.
Oh.
How can you hold that thing? It is a huge.
I have no idea about the size of me.
Are you good?
Sorry, Jeff. What's up, buddy? What's wrong, man? Jeff, what happened to the zombies? You told us there were zombies and stuff. Where'd they go, huh? Brick Boss?
Wait, do you guys hear that?
I heard that. Something's a little bit fishy. Oh, it's nighttime. Oh, it's nighttime. They're here. Oh, no. Take out the zombies. I'm out of magazines. Oh, stop it. I don't know how I'm out of magazines. Hold on.
How many did you have?
I don't know. Why is it never working?
Oh no.
Bad zombie. Ben, damn it!
I
No!
died.
Dang it! You killed me!
I'm back.
Oh,
I'm back.
snap.
I respawned.
Big fist! Whoa! Jeff, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Jeff. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it, Jeff. I'm sorry. Hey! Yeah! Big fist! It's working! Come on. Together, zombie. Unnecessary much. Jeff, this is totally necessary. We are saving the day from zombies that are trying to eat us.
Zombies, quick.
Oh, no.
Moose?
Oh, snap.
Don't come outside, dude. There are a lot of zombies right now. We have to get them
I
off.
see the zombies. I'm not dumb. I can see them,
Okay,
bro.
I'm just saying, who can't see them at this point?
Bad zombie. Nope.
Done with Jeff. Yeah, just take Moose if that's who you need.
Why? I don't take much to leave us.
Die.
No. They don't want me, bro. The zombies are not gonna. Oh, behind you, Psycho. Watch out.
Oh, no. Oh, there's another one. Moose, they're everywhere. What do we do?
I don't know. I mean, we can try to kill them. Everyone, come outside. Help us kill the zombies. They're not. They can't stop. There's so many of them.
Paintball launcher. Moose, you're gonna have to use the paintball launcher.
Big. Oh, hold on. I'm reloading the ammo.
You gotta reload.
I'm loading the ammo.
Just do Moose. It's all up to you.
Oh, play Minecraft. Everyone dip. Wow.
Oh, no.
Worked.
Oh, no.
Not really. Take Moose. No, Jeff. They can't take me, bro. If I die, we all die.
I got this, Moose. Just go out without me, dude.
No. What are you? Keep Psycho.
Psycho,
No. Don't want the zombies eat you. You're too young for this, buddy. You want a young whippersnapper.
Live a good life.
Oh, you're alive.
Yeah, this is actually.
Oh,
Wow.
well, it's awkward that I
You were the
killed
one
you.
who
Wow. Listen,
Wow,
man,
really?
things happen randomly, bro. Yeah!
Dude, I see how much our friendship means to us. I'm gonna kill the zombies.
We're best friends, Cyclone, right?
No,
Hey!
I want to go join the zombies. I'm good. I want to go become a zombie, you know?
No,
At least
don't
they
become a
treat me
zombie.
nice.
No, it's not about...
At least they
Cyclone,
treat me nice.
do not become a zombie, bro. Listen, they're not going to treat you nice. They're going to eat your face off, okay, buddy? Cyclone, what is that? What are you doing? Wait.
I'm just gonna become a
Cyclone,
zombie.
I saw the
dude.
command. What are you...
What?
Cyclone.
I'm not. I'm.
Cyclone, are you trying to
do you
become a zombie?
No.
Cyclone? What? I
No.
see you.
No. I'm. What?
Cyclone.
What do you mean? Uh-huh.
What are you doing behind all this?
No. Moose.
Moose,
listen.
help!
It's not what you think.
Kill
it is,
Cyclops!
okay?
That's the Cyclops! You were the one breaking us! Dang it, Cyclops! Why would you do that, man?
You have
I'm
to
coming
hear me
after you,
out. You have to
buddy.
hear me out.
I
You have
am
to hear
coming
me
after
out.
you, bro. What? What do I have to hear you about, huh? What?
Okay, you have to hear me out though. Okay, it wasn't me. The zombies made me do it.
What do you mean? You mean the zombie bling dance? What are you talking about?
Doing the
I
zombie-
think it. I think
the
it.
zombie bling dance. I need an Amina mission.
You're not getting
Yes,
out of
it's
this
different.
one. Cyclone, why would you do this, man? Why would you betray us like that and
All of
become a
sudden,
zombie?
dude, I'm a big zombie myself, dude. I'm
Where?
a big zombie.
What are you talking about? Oh, no! Oh, Jeff! He's a big zombie! Ow! Get out of my house! Oh, snap! Jeff, this is
There's
bad.
no way
This is
to
bad.
kill
Oh,
me.
no. Get out of my daycare!
Summon all the zombies! Let's
Why?
go!
Why? How did this? What is happening anymore? I'm so confused. Oh, where'd he go? He's dead.
I'm dead. No, I'm back! Yes!
Dang it.
Summoning all the
How do we
zombies.
kill this thing?
Let's go.
How do we take care of it? Well, you know what? I mean, it was going pretty well.
There
And
is
now,
no escaping
everything's getting badly. And I can't even...
I'm a giant zombie.
No,
with a
you know what?
paintball
I
gun,
still
dude.
got some moose books. So I'm pretty happy. And I'm almost out of ammo. Oh,
I'm a
no.
giant zombie with a paintball gun. Let's go, dude.
If I
Let's
plan
go.
this accordingly, what I gotta do is go inside there, get a bunch of bullets, and then... Oh, hey,
Miss-
Cyclone, how you
Hey,
doing, buddy?
I'm gonna
Just
get you,
stay
dude.
right
I'm
there,
gonna
buddy,
get-
okay?
I can't fit inside
Oh,
there.
you can't fit inside the place.
Miss,
Oh, Cyclone,
come
it's
out,
gonna be
please?
all right, buddy. Don't worry, buddy.
Hello?
I'll come right outside. Just give me a second.
Moose, can you come out?
Hey, buddy,
Hello?
how you doing? Yeah!
Moose?
Why are you-
Oh,
you're not-
oh no, I'm gonna
That's
get-
it, Cyclops. Yo, poison him. Yes, poison him will help
I'm
us.
gonna get. No,
Get him.
no,
Get with the
no,
poison.
don't
Get out of here, Cyclops.
No,
You
don't
are
go,
not
please,
going anywhere, buddy.
please. Ah.
Get back over here, Cyclops. You thought you'd get away and betray us.
Oh,
Oh,
oh.
that worked too. Yay! And Cyclone's gone. Sorry, no, bang. Wait,
But little did they know,
what? Cyclone, what? Where are you, buddy?
Cyclone was a fish all along.
What a fish! What are you talking about? Oh my god, a giant fish! Run! Run for the daycare! Everyone retreat! Fishes are scary! No, I'm out of here! Nope, big tuna! Not on my watch! Nope, I'm out of here! Well, anyways, guys, hope you all enjoyed today's day of daycare. I'll see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, sound the bell, leave a like. And I'm terrified. There's still a big zombie on top of me. Bye!